It's not just double the output, it's a leap forward in manufacturing efficiency.
I want the brighter color for my toy.
Don't worry, this machine got you covered.
Does it have those too?
Sorry, you're gonna be disappointed.
Sovol also solves one of the biggest challenges in multicolor printing, material waste. Six automatic filament feeders continuously preload material, while independently heated tool heads keep every filament preheated and ready to print. Experience high-speed multicolor printing with up to 500% greater efficiency, turning every color idea into reality without compromise. Ditch waste, unleash imagination, bring vibrant life to all your creations.
Wow!
This is what true zero-waste multicolor printing looks like.
Can it print a multi-material robotic arm for me?
Sure, far more capable than you think.
Whether open frame or fully enclosed, Sovol adapts effortlessly to any workflow. Every engineering-grade material prints at its ideal temperature for exceptional results. High-precision camera-based offset calibration with intelligent monitoring and real-time alerts. Water-soluble supports dissolve cleanly away, leaving no marks behind. That's the Sovol difference. With unmatched efficiency and virtually no wasted resources. And there's one more thing. Sovol is fully embracing open source innovation. We've all been there: endless waste, long waits, and frustrating bottlenecks. Toolhead switching. Powered by our proprietary tool-changing system, a single motor delivers fast, precise tool swaps in one seamless move. Move effortlessly between print modes and unleash your creativity. This is efficiency doubled.
You can print an entire pair of shoes in one go?
Of course, absolutely.
Powered by an advanced eddy current scanning leveling system for lightning-fast, ultra-precise calibration. With Sovol's exclusive mirror mode, you can achieve high-speed production while maintaining flawless consistency. It's not just double the output, it's a leap forward in manufacturing efficiency.
I want the brighter color for my toy.
Don't worry, this machine got you covered.
Does it have those too?
Sorry, you're gonna be disappointed.
Sovol also solves one of the biggest challenges in multicolor printing, material waste. Six automatic filament feeders continuously preload material, while independently heated tool heads keep every filament preheated and ready to print. Experience high-speed multicolor printing with up to 500% greater efficiency, turning every color idea into reality without compromise. Ditch waste, unleash imagination, bring vibrant life to all your creations.
Wow!
This is what true zero-waste multicolor printing looks like.
Can it print a multi-material robotic arm for me?
Sure, far more capable than you think.
Whether open frame or fully enclosed, Sovol adapts effortlessly to any workflow. Every engineering-grade material prints at its ideal temperature for exceptional results. High-precision camera-based offset calibration with intelligent monitoring and real-time alerts. Water-soluble supports dissolve cleanly away, leaving no marks behind. That's the Sovol difference. With unmatched efficiency and virtually no wasted resources. And there's one more thing. Sovol is fully embracing open source innovation. We've all been there: endless waste, long waits, and frustrating bottlenecks.
Why isn't finished breathing yet?
But now, it's time to leave all that behind. Sovol is here to redefine what's possible. The world's first 3D printer with true independent dual extrusion and 1+6 toolhead switching. Powered by our proprietary tool-changing system, a single motor delivers fast, precise tool swaps in one seamless move. Move effortlessly between print modes and unleash your creativity. This is efficiency doubled.
You can print an entire pair of shoes in one go?
Of course, absolutely.
Powered by an advanced eddy current scanning leveling system for lightning-fast, ultra-precise calibration. With Sovol's exclusive mirror mode, you can achieve high-speed production.
Does it have those too?
Sorry, you're gonna be disappointed.
Sovol also solves one of the biggest challenges in multicolor printing: material waste. Six automatic filament feeders continuously preload material, while independently heated tool heads keep every filament preheated and ready to print. Experience high-speed multicolor printing with up to 500% greater efficiency, turning every color idea into reality without compromise. Ditch waste.
Hello guys. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, we are watching. What are you guys talking about just now?
Hello.
Hello, Brian Gilbert.
Okay. I think I need to
3D.
make some adjustment on our
Okay.
camera because we didn't expose the whole machine, the body. Maybe? Okay.
Hello, how are you guys?
Hello guys.
Hello, Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just drank 5 beers, right? Enough, or you want more? Maybe you can drink more.
Hello guys. Hello all of you guys.
You are still got that reality in the corner.
Oh,
We got so many reality actually.
actually, person will not only buy one brand machine. Yes, you will connect so many brand of machines for in different jobs. Yeah.
Hello, wrong tempo.
Yeah.
And hello,
Hello.
everybody.
Hello, Root Temple. Hello, Steel Shadow. Hello, JB3D.
Hello, Jamie.
Hello, Candid Portrait.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, Team Thailand.
Yep.
Hello, just a few printers farm.
farm.
Okay.
Hello, Debbie. JB3D.
JB3D. Hello.
Yes, so many friends. Who has M1D baked on Kickstarter? Yes, how many of you have supported our M1D
Yeah.
on Kickstarter?
Smash the button.
Yeah, maybe you can type your answer in the
Okay.
comments. Let us know. Oh, 现在好了，
I think it's back. We got it back.
Oh, so many people support our M1D. Thank you, guys. Barry, I've got an advance. Thank you. Thank you, Barry.
Thanks for supporting. Okay, I think it's time to start our program.
Yes. Okay, so let's get started, okay?
Okay, so
So hello, everyone. I am Allison, and this is my partner, Hamilton.
yeah.
And today's topic is still about our M1D, our new product. We have three parts. The first part is an introduction, highlights our new product. Since many of our friends missed the last live stream, so we feel it's necessary to introduce it to our audience again, right? Okay, so the second part is question and answer. We have collected so many new questions this week, so Hamilton will answer all of them later.
Yes.
And the third part is to showcase our M1D to all of you guys,
Yeah.
and also some models printed by M1D, right?
Yes.
Oh, and we will have 3 rounds of giveaway
Yes.
to everyone. So don't leave us, okay? Just stick with us. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so maybe we can begin, okay?
Okay.
Don't get me wrong, I think that M1D is a good printer. Okay, thank you, Team Thailand. So let's go to our...
Started.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Hope I can stay awake. Okay, so let's go to our PowerPoint.
Okay.
All right, the first part is an introduction of our new product. Where is the giveaway link? Okay, I will send our giveaway link again. Okay, just click this link to participate in our lucky draw part. Okay, everyone. All right, back to our PowerPoint. All right, so nowadays, I believe a lot of makers have been experienced some problems while printing. So we have mainly summarized these three problems. So the which are three nightmares of color 3D printing. So the first one is massive filament waste, which means single nozzle AMS system cut and purge material on every color change. Purge waste often weighs more than the model itself. Oh, so before we talk about another two problems, I want to ask you one question, okay?
Okay.
So what problems do you often encounter when using ordinary printers? What do you want to share with us?
For me, maybe this is a problem on almost in every situation when you use a 3D printer. I think for me, the first one is jam.
Oh, jam,
yeah.
yes.
Sometimes the printing nozzle maybe contact some wrong angle and still consistent to printing, consistent to print, and it just cause the jam on the nozzle. Yeah. And for second things maybe is wasting. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, just like I said, right?
Yes.
Massive filament
Yeah,
waste.
sometimes for some big models, maybe if you want to print the multicolor model, and for especially for the giant one, maybe you will print a single color one, and also do some coloring job after printing. And for some tiny one, I think it fits for the it's best things it fits for the multicolor 3D printing job. And usually when you use some AMS versions 3D printer, so it will cause a lot of time and waste.
Okay. Thanks for your sharing about your experience. So, yeah, so the second problem we have always made is extremely slow print speed. So, cut, retract, hate, purge, each swap takes 1.5 to 2 minutes. So, printing small figure on take 30 plus organizing hours. So the third problem is hard DIY assembly. So DIY tool changers like Voron are super complex to build and calibrate. So ordinary users just give up, right? Okay, so we have designed our machine by ourselves, which we want to solve some problems, right? So our machine includes 7 major highlights. So let's look at one by one. The first one is our machine is first dual X system in this word, right? IDEX dual has plus 6 tool changer, which can 5 minutes fast swap and almost near zero waste. And the second major highlight is large build and multi-mode. Our size is 300 and 300 and 350 volume, including single, multi, and mirror and copy mode. And the third highlight is auto calibration. Full audio Z offset and C1 plus 6 vision XY alignment edit current bad skin. Okay. And number 4 is AI smart cameras. We got 4 cameras, matrix, and can AI spaghetti and bad object detection and also time lapse. And the fifth highlight is auto filament loading. So we've got 6 channel auto loading and unload with run out clock and tangle sensors, right? And the sixth one is responsive touchscreen. We have 5-inch touch display, more than simple UI and OTO updates, dual band Wi-Fi, right? And the last one is open source and maker ecosystem. We have open source Clipper 01, 0.12 plus Sovol GitHub repository, and Orca Slicer official presets and modular DIY update design. Yes, that's all of our 7 major highlights. So let's look at this one. So I want to ask one question, okay?
Okay.
So what innovation point of our machine do you like the most and why?
I think the first time, the first thing is it must be IDEX. Yeah. You can print some prototypes, and by the IDEX system, because it can print one bunch prototypes in one plate. You can estimate it this kind of prototype printing models. And the second thing I think is multicolor and the multi-material, because it's a two changer. I think the multi-material is a must thing. Is a things which you can use for some complex print. This is the most two things.
Okay. All right.
This is my favorite.
Okay, so which one do you like the most? Guys, you can type your answer in the comments and let us know, okay? Which highlight you like? So just type in the comments and let us know, okay? This from these 7 major highlights.
To be honest, I like all of them.
Okay.
Because I'm a lazy guy. I like something can consist too many advantages, but really I will not use it. So I will use some kind of like default settings.
Oh, okay. Caroline said the number 1. Okay. I like the number 1 as well. Yes, because we have created this first dual X system. That's very cool, right, guys? Okay, number 1 and 2. Number 7 for sure. Oh, so many number 7. Number 7 is open source, right? Everyone is interesting about open source. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for all the reply. Okay, let's continue, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 7. Yes, I have seen the comments. Thanks, everyone. All right, so let's look at this IDEX dual has +6 2 changer, which means 7 had all metal auto grabbing mechanism with painted locking system, and 5-second to swap means 5 times faster, and idle 2 has preheat in background, 0 heating with time during swaps, and we've got 90% less waste near 0% poop, and independent PTFE tube channels, no cutting or flushing required. Okay, and all metal hardened steel nozzle, durable, clog proof, direct and extruder for standard and abrasive filament. Okay, guys. Oh, 24 GTR set 2457. Okay, thanks. All right, let's look at a large size multi-mode and dual material. All right, so we have 4 print mode, right? So the first one is single head. The build volume is 300, 300, and 350 50. Okay, so we can have large single piece models or helmets. And the next one is 6 changer mode. The build volume is same as our single head, right? 300, 300, and 350. Okay, so 6 color, 0 waste, fast printing. And 7 head dual material, which you can have 240 and 300 and 350. Oh, just a little bit smaller than the 2 above, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and you can, which means PLA plus PVE or PETG.
Yes.
Easily peel supports, right? Wait for a minute. If not this slide, maybe next one. Can you please show the 4 different print mode slides with all cards so it is easier to? Okay, maybe we will plan it, right? Plan it later. All right, so the first one is mirror and copy mode. So you can double your output for batch production. Okay, so I think which mode do you like the most and why? Helmington.
I think it must be multicolor and two changer mode. You know, we in our work situation, we will use our old version 3D printer. It's like SV08 and SV08 Max, and I will print all of this model in one single color.
Yes.
And do the printing job after printing finished, and and usually I would make I'll make some content in the progress or in the processing of printing these models, and make it in reels and or shorts, and send it on the Facebook reels or YouTube shorts. So that's what shorts, and that's the behind the scenes of that shorts and reels.
Okay, so if anyone interested on it, you can just go to our YouTube channel to watch all the videos, right?
Yes, I think it's beneficial for my job.
Okay.
Yeah.
And someone said, please talk about the shipping days. We will talk about later, okay? Okay,
Yeah,
thanks
we'll
for your
talk about later.
question. Okay, yes, let's look at the next one. Okay, highlight 3, auto calibration and precision control, which is beginner friendly, right? So we got auto IDEX height adjustment, innovative motor-driven nozzle lifting mechanism, and one-click auto bed leveling and real-time Z offset compensation.
Yes.
And number 2 is 1+6 vision XY auto calibration. Optical camera automatically aligns XY offset for all 2 heads in 7 minutes. Yes, we only need 7 minutes, which means down from 20 minutes manual tuning. And the third one is eddy current bed scanning. High precision eddy current sensor scans the entire bed surface instantly, so ensuring a flawless first layer every time. Okay, guys. All right, let's go to the next one. Yes, and we've got 4 cameras for full coverage. So panoramic camera, one panoramic camera and 2 micro cameras and 1 vision calibration camera. Okay, guys. And static debris detection and smart detect spring failure, missing PI shade or foreign objects and passing instantly. And also audio HD time lapse video. which you can automatically record stunning time-lapse videos of your prints to share on social media, guys. Okay. All right, this is highlight 5, auto filament loading and protection.
Protection.
Yes, so they all have unique tasks. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Yes, different function. All right, so 6-channel autoloader. We have 6 independent feeding channels. One-click autoload and unload in the manual threading required. And also run-out clock tangle sensors. Hardware sensors monitor filament tension and automatically pauses print if filament breaks or clogs or tangles. And also smart LED indicators. Individual LED status lights for each channel show working, loading or run out status at a single glance. All right. I'm so happy to see it is beginner friendly as multicolor is brand new to me and I'm very intimidated by it. Okay, thanks for your support. Yes. Okay, thanks, David, Dimension. That's a wisdom. Thanks, JB3D. All right, let's look at this one. Yes, we have 5-inch HD capacitive touchscreen, ultra responsive touch controls with a clean, intuitive modern UI, and 2.4G and 5G dual band Wi-Fi, which got high-speed G-code file transfer and one-click remote slicing and printing from browser. How does it work with filament driver boxes? Okay, later we will show it to you guys, okay? And also one-click OTA updates. Keep your printer running on the latest firmware with continuous feature upgrades. Cannot remember if I have seen this discussed. Will it support or not over to another 2-head? How about this question? What do you think?
Support run over another 2-head.
Actually, it will detect the situation like run out, right?
It's an automatic
sorry.
auxiliary. It's an automatic feeder. It have sensor to detect the
sorry.
run out and the break and the tanks.
Yes. Yes.
That's only for the 6 toe heads on the right parts. So, and also there is a automatic sensor on the left head, but it's same about the as the right one, but you didn't have to load your filament or unload your filament manually for the left one. Yes, it doesn't have consist the auto loaded or unloaded that kind of features on the left side. But still same about the right one. It have a sensor to detect some situations.
All right, so yes, we've got open source Glaber 0.12 official Sovol GitHub repository with community updates for ultimate customization, okay? And all curve slicer official presets, which means pre-tuned profiles for Sovol PLA or PETG with smart cooling and overhang slowdowns, and modular DIY assembly design, which means easy to assess modular structure for makers to upgrade, modify, and maintain easily. All right, guys. Yes, so finally we have 2 options for everyone, the essential and the advanced. So the difference about these 2 options, the first one about frame structure. M1D Essential is open aluminum frame structure, which you can easily access. And advanced is fully enclosed high temperature side panels plus top cover. Okay, guys. And but please pay attention on it. The essential one without chamber heater, right? Yes, so you can only use PLA, TPU, or PETG. But M1D Advanced includes active chamber heating module. So for filament compatibility, essential one you can use PLA, PETG, TPU, PVE, and standard multicolor. But if you want to use ABS or ESA, PA, PC, or any carbon fiber engineering plastics, you need to choose M1D Advanced. Okay, guys. So we want to say that the essential one is best for makers or hobbyists or only multicolor figurine printing. So, but high strength engineering parts or industry prototypes, you need to choose M1D Advanced. Okay, guys. Essential all the way for me. Okay, then you can choose the first one. That's the best choice for you. All right, so that's all for the first part. So I think now we can, how about we can start our first round giveaway. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so 2 minutes, guys. Just click this link and join our lucky draw part.
Okay, just click this link and
Yes.
there's some information in the forms.
Yes. So
to
now,
participate in.
yeah, now it's 10 a.m. in 4. So we will start lucky draw part within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. So just the first turn, yes, guys. Do you have a chance if you're missing turn 1? Okay, I think we can check how many presents have been
Okay.
estimated.
Okay.
So we're okay here. No.
这里啊，对对对。
Okay, we see it, we see it. Okay, so for now it's 47 response. Okay, for now it's 48 for now. Okay, so just 1 minute later, we will start the first turn lucky draw. And
Yes.
each winner will receive 2 rolls of filaments.
Barry said, can you add the chamber header and enclosure to the essential after purchase?
Okay, so I think you have asked these questions, and some of user and also asked this question, and I can give an answer. It means it basically our sale progressing, and we will list our open source files, and you can choose your ways to set your own versions chamber heaters of enclosure on the body of the machine, and I think it's surely that it's something is sure about that is I think some makers will do some more affordable ways to DIY in the open structure version and change it, modify it into the enclosure and with chamber heater. That's definitely things because our community is full of creativity.
Okay, thanks for your answer, Hamilton. So now let me copy all the names for lucky draw part, okay? All right, I think which, sorry.
Okay, so now we close the first turn. Yeah, and it's time to start the first turn, lucky draw time.
Yes, we will randomly select 5 winners of this
Okay.
round. Okay.
5 winners. Okay.
Yes. All right. Okay, let's
So,
start. You first.
Let me choose first one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's begin. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, who is the first winner in today's? Okay, it's LeBron of the. It's LeBron.
Ooh, congratulations.
Okay.
Do you have a pen?
Oh no, I didn't have pen. So
I can waiting for you.
wait a minute. Let me get a pen to
Yes.
write down the name.
Yes. Just 2 minutes, guys. Waiting for us. Hamilton is going to grab a pen. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, rolling.
Sorry, guys. I need to write down all this name manually. Okay, so the first winner is our Leroy from the YouTube. Okay, let's start the second one.
Okay, remove, right?
Yes.
All right, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Where is my...
Okay, it's Megan.
Yes,
Fire
congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay.
This is the second, right?
Yes, it's the second one.
Yes, we still have 3 left of this
Yeah.
round. All right, let's continue. Your turn. It's your turn.
Okay, let's begin. Now 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's elbows. Okay, I still remember this user who have been our first MVD live
Oh,
stream.
really?
Yes.
Okay. You're so lucky.
Yes.
I
I
have to
also
say.
win the second
Yes.
second MVD
Yes.
M1D live stream.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, who is that? Still shadows or another clock. Okay, still
Wow.
shadow. Still shadow from YouTube. Okay, I think it's a lost person for now.
Okay, so you go
Okay,
you go
this
with the
is
last one.
Thieves. Okay, let's begin. Oh, it's JB3D or the... Okay, so it's almost JB3D.
Sorry, JB.
But we still have a chance. Yeah, we still have 2 turns for giveaways. Okay, so for now, it's all of the users in the first turn. It's Leroy and Megan and Apple Boss and Still Shadow and Wilson. Yes.
Okay, so I think it's time to dive to our second part, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's welcome back.
Yes, okay. Before we start the part 2, let me just send our Lucky Draw part link to the comments again.
Mm.
And okay, everyone, you can click this link to participate in our Lucky Draw part, okay? For the second part.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, let's back to our PowerPoint. Okay, Hamilton, you can start this part. So let's look at the first question from Carson Hoey.
Yeah.
Okay, and he said, when is your plan release of some or all of the CAD files for the printer? I'm already looking forward to designing a new cover plate for the filament feeder to have PTFE connections. I would be excited to know when I can start.
Okay, so some of our user and had already asked these kind of questions, and my answer is the machines open sourcing will based on our sales progress. Okay, generally we will gradually release the source files after the customer have received their machines. So it will be released on the end of the cake starts and when it starts shipping. So we will release the open source files.
Okay, thanks for your answer. So let's go to next question from how to pronounce his name. Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Okay. He said, are there any plans to release either a filament driver or enclosure with active driving, either from printer chamber or individually for 6 plus boards to accompany the M1D?
Okay. And I think some of our user and curious about the spool holders. And there are plans to release the corresponding accessories in the near future. So this kind of accessories and also the final version, I think. So there must be some driver box of the AMS box like the another brand. So consisted of the 6 spools filaments. And okay, I think this is our answer about this question.
Okay. Okay, so let's go to next one. Okay, I think these two questions are similar. So
Yeah.
from these two person. So the question is, will there be a M1S, just a two changer without the IDEX? Will you be coming out with a version that doesn't have the IDEX head and just is a two changer alone?
Okay, so there are a lot of persons says I want to
Yeah.
M1S.
Yeah.
Just not without. It's without two changers. Just it's without I like just want two changers. I'm on M1 series. Okay, so my answer is there are plans for the launch for M1 series products in the future. So we have forgot to explain the name about the M1D, guys. So the M is a multicolor, the 1 is the generation 1, or we can call it the first in our company. And the D is means the dual X system. So there will absolutely will coming out with M1 series in the future, guys. So don't worry about this. And it's our biggest plan for our further development of our products.
Yes. Zigzag said Sovol is a Chinese company. I thought it was a Russian company.
Okay.
Okay. Super funny.
Okay.
All right, let's go to next question. Is there any upgrade path to allow the independent two head to handle higher temperature materials. Oh, 350 plus. Is there anything aside from configuration files limits preventing the removal of the single print head in order to allow the tool changer to make use of the full bed size?
Okay, so it's about high temperature materials. Okay,
Yes.
so 350 Celsius degrees high temperature nozzle kit will be released later. So and also supporting engineering materials up to the 350 Celsius degree. Using the either left or right nozzle alone. So for the second question is using the either the left or right nozzle alone, the maximum print size is 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters. If you wish to use the full build plate size, you can DIY it yourself after the machine is open sourced. So for the safety, we have suggested that the build volume is 300 by 300 by 350. Yes, it has been showed on the plate of the on the M1D. So we just suggested that it's a safety build volume. So if you want to using the whole volume of the plate, I think you can DIY it yourself after the machine is open source.
And some friends said, how about M1D Max? And also
Okay.
JB3D said probably gonna say something for SV08 Max.
Okay, so I will answer this question later because there are some users saying to you and also answer
Yeah,
the
a lot of
same
people,
questions. Yes.
Okay, so let's go to next one. Oh, this is a long question.
Yeah. Okay.
Around the first of the year, I had to order a couple of Sovol parts for a SV08, and I wanted to buy a complete two-head hot end assembly for the Sovol Zero. Both of these printers were relatively new and still being sold as the most current machine in their category. Parts were not in stock on the US website. I had to contact the support to get the parts, and these do look about 12 days to get. I would really like a commitment to keep parts in stock for the M1D in the US store. The US seems to be a very big market according to the beggars I have seen. Oh, the question, will you do a better job of having parts in stock for at least 2 years? I don't want a machine I can get parts for in a timely manner.
Okay, that's such a long question.
Yeah,
and,
serious question.
they're very serious. Okay, so let me answer it. So first of all, we sincerely apologize for the inconvenience you experienced with the parts for the SV08 and 0, and apologize again. For the M1D, we will stock commonly used wear and tear parts in our US overseas warehouse. Regular parts can be shipped from the US warehouse and all the Europe warehouse. Just contact our customer service team if you have some broken or the damage about your tiny parts. And for the parts with lower demand, since very few customers purchase them, storing them long-term in overseas warehouses will incur high warehousing fees and inventory carrying costs. This aided the cost would automatically be reflected in our product price. And therefore, for such parts, we ship directly from our factory in China. The delivery time approximately 10 to 12 days. This approach is intended to keep the costs under control for you and the entire community, maintaining the best possible cost-performance ratio for both products and parts. So that's all for your question. And for the inconvenience and your experience with the parts for the SV08 and we sincerely apologize.
Yes, we apologize for the any inconvenience caused by our SV08
Yes.
or each machines.
And also, there's one word I have to say. Yeah, we fully understand your concern about not wanting a machine, that you can get the parts for a timely manner. Yeah. So please rest assured. We are committed to providing the long-term parts support for at least 2 years or more. So whenever you need a part, even if our overseas warehouse doesn't have it in stock, our customer service team will arrange the shipment from China as soon as possible. So your machine will never be left without repair options.
Okay, thanks for your such long answer. All right, so I think we can go to next question. Oh, okay. Caroline said Sovol customer service is honestly amazing.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks for your support. Okay, let's look at this question. If I don't want to use both nozzles, can I just run one to take up the whole build volume? Oh,
Okay,
that's very interesting question.
Okay. So using a single nozzle, you can use one single nozzle print. So you, in such kind of situation of using a single nozzle, the maximum print size is 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters. So if you want to remove one single nozzle, if you want to remove, as pay attention is remove. We are not suggesting that to remove that one single nozzle. It will break the structure of the machine and cannot maintain the best printing situation. So if you really want to buy only two changer, so we'll release that only two changer model in the future. So it's everybody want is M1 series, M1S. Is that what you want, guys? So we suggest that just keep the structure on the machine. It's safety for the print and safety for the electronics or the prevent some potential dangers.
Okay. Oh, let's look at this question from Tracy. Said, does the advanced come with an air scrubber filter or must it be vented outside?
Okay, so
Oh.
let me answer it directly. So there is no air purifier, or and pay attention. There is an exhaust fan to regulate the internal chamber temperature. So there is no air purifier.
Yes, we don't have.
But there is an exhaust fan.
Thank you for all the live streams. Great customer service. Thank you, Wes Alexander, for coming to us. Okay, and there is a question. Can you just explain it to everyone? Udi.
This is the panels.
Yes. Insulate the
chamber.
panels with something to help keep the temperature in the chamber.
Okay, so our advanced version it concludes the active chamber heater and also the enclosure to keep the high temperature. That's I have to say this is a basic feature for every machine for high temperature printing. So it absolutely owns this kind of feature. So if you want to see some panels, I think you can make some adjustments in the website. So there Our machine concludes Wi-Fi connector and connect to the Wi-Fi in your house, and it will show IP on the settings. Just enter enter the setting, enter the IP on the browser. You can make the adjustment on the control panels in the browser. So you can make some tiny adjustment about your machine net.
Okay. All right. Let's look at next question,
Okay,
guys.
the Barry say when you open up the CAD for the frame, I will model you an air fitting house. I have answered this question, so just past 15 minutes ago. I have to say the machine's open sourcing will based on our sales progress. So the time will be reach the end of the Kickstarts, and all the when it starts shipping, we will release our open source files. And don't worry about this. Yes, open source is our key spirit.
Okay. Okay, let's look at this question. Are you planning on offering bigger bat options for those having the enclosed versions or some sort of trading program where we can purchase bigger build volume units if made?
Okay. I think a lot of person want to use a big volume. Okay, even more bigger. We do have plans for M1 series machines with a larger print size in future. But for now, currently, no plans to support a large build plate size plate. And the M1 series is our key plans in the recent years.
Yeah, so we don't have
So
plans
We
for.
release a lot of new M1 series machines in the futures. So don't worry about this.
Okay, let's go to next one. What is the hardness reading of the hardened equipment installed in the M1D?
Okay, if you want to if say is about the nozzle, I think the hardened steel nozzle hardness is a HRC 50. Okay, HRC 50.
Yes, HRC 50. Okay, everyone got it? All right. When will you be able to print PEKK, and Autumn
Autumn.
1010?
Okay, so it's engineering high temperature materials. Okay, so for the three materials of filaments, I have to say, so for now, we don't currently support printing the high temperature engineering materials such as the PEKK or Autumn 1010. Okay, it's just for now. And so just for now, we have to do some further development on our temperature of our nozzle. So we still have testing that if you, just about the three kind of these three kind of high temperature engineering materials such as the PEK or PKK or the Autumn 1010.
Oh, okay. Oh, very sad. Do you think anyone in engineering would have written down HRC 50 if not for IDEX?
I think everyone is near during write down. Yeah, I have to say that just the answer for that question. So honestly, it's still hardened steel nozzle. But the harness have I don't know what's the specific version about it. So you still have some. You still want to know some detailed information about the hardened steel nozzle. I think I will answer our engineer after this live stream for these questions. Just to write down their questions if you still want to know it.
Yes. Did you talk with Auger Slicer to have a full configuration available for the machine when it will be available? Also thinking of implementing full spectrum would be nice.
Okay, so that's such a good question. And also, we will release our Sovol slicers, and also the open source is supported for the Ochre slicer, so don't worry about it. And
Yes, he said people are concerned with IDEX and wondering if the M1D will have those hardened issues or not.
okay, so for the full spectrum is also our planning features, and we will do the further development about it, and also we'll do some updates files about Ochre slicer and also on our Sovol slicer.
Okay. All right, how about let's look at this question. Are you able to start with M1D basic, then add enclosure and heater later and have all the same functionality? I just bought a U1 and would like to give this a shot, but I never have done anything more than PLA and TPU. And we never use anything like ASA or ABS, but I like using water suitable support, and seems most of the models I like are ready for colors, so this machine would be nice. Question 2. Does it have auto filament feed like the U1?
Okay, for the question 1, I would say yes, you can. So the functional will be identical. Automatic filament feeding is available only for the 6 right side two heads. For the left two head, a spread feeders will be will be released later. So if you want to aid the if you want to be on to aid the auto load or the auto unload function on the left one, it will be the individual parts for the left side. So it also like the accessory individually. And for the U1, it also has a same functional for the automatic feeding. Okay, this is my answer to this question.
Okay, Woody just said. 感谢你们. Okay.
Okay, so this thank you again.
Yeah, thanks for your support again. Thanks for every customer who support our M1D.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's go to next question, guys. Do you ship to India? Do you have any distribution partners and after sales support in India?
Okay, so we will welcome. It's welcome for everyone in different country to buy our M1D. Yes, we can. Okay, we can ship to India. So during the Kickstarter period, and the orders will be shipped in the order they are placed. If you wish to purchase the M1D after the Kickstarter ends, you can buy it from our official website. It's sovol3d.com with shipments directly from China. And the parts and after sales supports are also available, and with the parts shipped from China as well. So don't worry about this.
Okay, so Michael just said the IDEX issues are because of the induction heating. These are not induction heated. Oh, so they're the issues that people concern.
Oh, okay, so okay, that's a good question. I will write down that and asking our engineering and leave some comments in our posts. Induction heating. Okay.
Yes,
These are not induction heated. Okay, okay.
Google Translate, very good.
Okay, I write down that problem. Okay, I will feedback for engineer team. Okay, so let's continue.
Okay. All right, the idea is amazing. This printer looks so good and the answer to my needs. But after my last experience with the Sovol SV04, I'm not ready to pay so much money. How to be sure it's real step forward and really reliable for a professional workshop? Oh, that's a very good question.
Okay, so it's our old user. Okay, so first, we acknowledge the limitations of SV04 era. So the SV04 was our early exploration of the dual nozzle printing. It's achieved the goal of having two nozzles. The second thing, the M1D design logic is fundamentally different. Specifically, the M1D is a machine that has been redesigned from the ground up for the multi-material or multi-color printing. These two projects are not even in the same legal in team of R&D investment, testing circles, and quality control and standards. At the same time, the 3D printing technology has advanced significantly over the years. And the third, regarding reliability for a professional workshop, you are absolutely right. In a professional setting, a printer is a productivity tool, not a toy. Unreliable machine with not just the filament and also time and business opportunities. So the first production batch is nearly finished with validation. So before the Kickstart's launch, we had already begun the small batch the production and the internal acceptance testing. So don't worry about this.
Yes, and Michael just said, will this ship from warehouse in November or ship from factory to warehouse in November? Start to wonder
Okay.
if I will get mine before 20.
Okay, let me answer this question directly. So if you living in the U.S. or the Europe region, so they will ship from our warehouse. Yes. So the whole progress of the shipping is we will ship the M1D to the U.S. or Europe warehouse first, and the second step is ship the M1D from the warehouse to your house.
Yep.
Just if you leave some region or countries, except for the two areas, it will start ship from China directly. So we will ship the M1D as a we will ship as 1D.
Okay.
Okay, as your orders.
All right. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, considering the switching between multiple materials, how does M1D firmware handle intelligent purging to minimize waste and prevent contamination, especially when combining materials with drastically different extrusion temperatures such as PLA and flexible TPU?
Okay. It's about our function. Okay. Okay, the M1D features the independent filament paths and the independent heating modules for each two head, making it suitable for mixed printing with a variety of materials. The slicer includes the dedicated parameters for the different support materials and the material combinations. And for TPU, for now, only 95A TPU is supported. If you want to use a more softer TPU, and for now, just for now, we suggest that just muting the automatic feeder. I'll just disable the automatic feeder.
Okay. The Michael just said, but when will it ship from warehouses? November or after November? From warehouse.
Okay, so there is information on our Kickstarter website. It says it's start shipping from the November. When it reach to the warehouse, and I think the estimate of the ETA about the M1D to your house is about 10 days when it reach to the warehouse.
All right. All right, let's look at the next question. Okay, can I use different nozzle size in one print? I mean, for example, a 0.88 nozzle for the inlay and 0.4 nozzle for the outside. Oh, different nozzle for different side.
Okay, different size. Okay. For now, we just suggested that the mixed nozzle printing is now, just for now, is currently supported. Auto heads must use the same nozzle diameter. Okay.
Okay, all right. Thanks for your answer. Oh, honestly, I wouldn't expect to get it before the new year. Net 7 rules, okay.
Okay.
That's a good question. Okay, let's go to next one. Will you bring it to South Africa? Oh, from Nando.
Okay, South Africa. Okay, don't worry about this. You can place your order now on the Kickstarter's page, and we will ship in order of the purchase. Alternatively, after the Kickstarter ends, you can purchase M1D from our official website, and the M1D will ship directly from China, and you can and you may be responsible for the applicable customs duties.
Okay, so this question, can I understand that except South Africa, so if some people want our M1D, so we can just ship directly from China to their country?
Yeah. So and also some person wants say, hey, want to buy it from Amazon, and Amazon, I think do you have used an experience about Amazon? So it's just popular in the US or the Europe region. If you leave the country or some regions, expect for the two areas.
Yeah, like
you just place the order from our official website. It's
Yeah.
just shipped directly from our.
Yeah, like Singapore, Vietnam,
Yeah.
or
It's shipped from China.
yeah.
We have some user have buy
Yes.
the SV08 and SV0
Yes.
Max.
Yes, directly from China, guys.
They didn't live in the Europe and the US.
Okay. Okay, just now I have seen this. What's the status of 0.2 millimeters nozzles supported? Oh, I remember this question.
We have answer in the
Yes.
M1D Livestream
Yeah.
turn 1.
Okay.
Okay, so I think the UK7 says is pretty. It says right. The mixed nozzle is very hard exercise for developers. So, it is suggested that use all the same diameters for the each nozzle. It just suggested that if you want to use a mixed nozzle, it's hard for it's a little bit hard for developer and also hard for the hardware and software, guys. If you have some have seen some program videos on the YouTube, yes, it's pretty hard. And we will release our open source files. If you really want to try to use a mixed size nozzle print, I think you can try to when our open source files will released.
Okay, so how about we write down these questions, then we can ask to our engineer. Yeah. Yeah, because he said saying from this guy video, that he said questions about this.
One good question is about it. Are you still keeping the two magnets holders? Will they induce long term of nozzle swapping? And seeing from Google video that the question is about this. Okay, Sing guys, you really like the challenge, guys.
Yes, we will write down this question.
Also, this question is same on the previous questions. I'll write on this, and also feedback for our engineering team. And honestly, Julia is responsible for this, and maybe he already PM to the Jergo to this question, but we just don't know. And keeping the two magnets. Wait a minute.
Okay, watching Jergo videos, he mentions the cooling fans in each two head run at the same speed even when parked, creating double the noise. Will this be
holders? Long term of nozzle swapping. Wait a minute. Let me see. Watching Jergo videos, I mentioned that cooling fans in each two heads to run same speed when parked, creating double noise. Will this be addressed in software updates in future? Okay, I know what it means. It says when some, for example, the right toe head is working, but the left toe head is parking somewhere, but it's still the fan is still working and makes some double noise. And we didn't have mentioned that when another toe head is working. And the let me wait a minute. Is there that situation? If the right six toe head is printing some things, and when the next part is the right one on the next part is the right color printing job for the on the left head. The left head still keep the temperature for the ready to print, so the fans is still working to keep cooling. So that's why the toe head is still running the exhaust fan to keep cooling to make it double noise. I think it can make some adjustment in the control panel in your IP on the browser, so it can be controlled. And for now, we're still on the testing about our product. It still have 2 months to reach to the shipping, and for now we are manufacturing of this 3D printer and the testing all of these 3D printers.
Okay, let's go to next. When can we buy on Amazon?
Okay. We will ship the orders in sequence they are placed. The first few batches will be prototypes for for our VIP customers and the Kickstarters buyers, followed by the customer purchasing from our official website. If you prefer, you can place an order on our official website after the Kickstarter ends. So availability on the Amazon may come out later date. So the first batches of the M1D will range for our VIP buyers and the Kickstarter buyers, and the third is for the buyers from our official website. The second batch is fees for our official website, and the third batch is fees for the Amazon. Okay.
Okay, let's look at this question. I'm absolutely not a hater. I even paid the reservation fee for this printer, but I do have some concerns. Some time ago, I bought the SV08 during the pre-order. I can honestly say that since receiving it despite ongoing repair attempts that are still continuing, the printer cannot really be described as working properly. Oh, okay. I've already received replacement to head electronic from you. I also purchased another set of electronic, a main board, and the complete to head at my own experience. The printer still has communication issues on practically every print. At random moments, the layers can shift by around 10 millimeter to the side. In short, despite a lot of effort on my side and from support, the printer still doesn't work. So how can I know that the M1D is not the same type of project with the same early stage issues as the SV08, and how can I be sure that in the end I will not be left alone again with a non-working printer, this time for 1,050, which is significantly more expensive than, for example, Snapper Maker, and dangerously close to the price of larger bamboo lamp printers.
Okay, I think I can see some comments still talking about the previous question about the cooling fans. I have to say for now, it just we have arranged the machine for our interviewers is early version. So when all the testing is completed, and we will ship the new type 1 to our interviewers. And for this question, I will feedback to our engineering team if my explanation is wrong, guys. So don't worry about this. Thanks, guys, for just for talking about some detailed technical questions. And I know that everybody just curious about M1D, the functional. Okay, so let's back to the track. Okay, for the SV08. Okay, first regarding the SV08, we do not invade it. The early batches of the SV08 did have some issues. You have purchased replacement parts for out of the pocket, communicated with us repeatedly, and continued to attempt repairs. Yet the bottom remained unreserved. Okay, so this is not an experience you should have had to bear, and we are truly sorry for that and apologize again. This is not just a polite remark, and this is our general conclusion. And the second thing is, we understand that your concerns are reasonable. You're right, the $1,500 is not a small amount, honestly. And it does approach the price of some very established brands. We are not going to say that we are better than than some brands. And what we can say is this: the M1D offers a completely different product configuration, a hybrid of IDEX and two changer systems that has no direct equivalent on the market today. Our pricing is not based on we are better than some big names, but rather on the fact that this combination of the features is something only we offer, and we have made it production ready. And the third, regarding our production approach, the first production batch is nearly finished with validation. So before the Kickstart launch, we had already began the small batch of production of the internal acceptance testing. And the first, if you are still not convinced, respect your choices, and in coming weeks we will hold a 24-hour living stream printing session for the M1D, so you can see the machine is in action more realistically. So just don't worry about this.我要用这边的通道，把电视线给拔了。那你蓝屏的呀？你刚换了，它必须得重新插拔一下。你刚才把它弄蓝屏了。没有，我帮你显示好的，我只是把充电器拔。Okay, so I have finished the answer to the questions.
Alright, how is the M1D's nozzle swabbing system different when compared to the IDEX or Bambu Labs Vertex?
Okay, so Bambu Labs Vertex. Okay, so you just say the name directly. The M1D two-head switching system features independent heating, allowing the next nozzle to preheat before switching, reduce unnecessary wait times. So each material has its own independent heating path. The distinguishes it from the index and the vertex systems. And maybe my opinion is wrong. So the Bambu Lab, the vertex is like he have prepared so many nozzles. Wait a minute, let me change to the cameras. Have you guys seen the vertex? So he has prepared the many nozzles in here, as you see the pin, the markers. So he has prepared lots of nozzle in here. So the next print job, if you want to do, is another nozzle. The extruders will change the nozzle from the nozzle units in here. So it's one single extruders and just change the nozzle in here. So the different nozzle prepared for the different materials. And for M1D, it's two changer. So the two changer all prepared in the two changer units in the backup of the M1D. So the extruder will grab the toe head in the backside. So you guys know the nozzle and the toe head is two different words. And we can back to the question. Okay. The author asks, will this printer will be equipped with standard MK8 like 0 or max, or the V6 nozzles, or some other proprietary and our nozzle like the SV08 and SV08 stock head was, and will it match any other nozzle or be yet other proprietary nozzle that none of my existing spare parts will fit in? My answer is the machine uses standard MK8 hardened steel series nozzle. The brass nozzle are not capable. As a interfere and with a camera-based visual calibration system. Yeah.
All right, I think that's all for our second part. Okay, so I think it's time to the second round giveaway. Okay. Okay, so 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, guys, just click this link to participate in our lucky draw part for the second part.
哎，你看这个真的很奇怪，哎，它充不上电。
那个线松了。
简直离谱！哦，是电源松了，所以它这边充不上。我还以为这玩意儿坏了。没有，你看它也不亮灯，多么神奇！
All right, now let's start our lucky draw part. All right, now I'm copying all the names.
Let me do. Okay, so on the response.
We're doing this name list. Just
Okay,
give
now
us for a
it's
second.
ATA response. Oh,
那是不是要重新买一个这个？
线有点接触不了。电视机屏幕就是你碰那个电源线就变了这个样子。
刚才是好的，是你把从这位置换到这儿，它才蓝的。你可能没反应过来，我只是现在换一下。那现在我们其他设备是开着的吗？还是说大家看不到屏幕？啊。
Okay, we're solving some troubles about our TV.
Okay, so it's such a long name list.
现在就是这个有点问题。
其实我感觉这两个线都有问题。
是哦，对，问题很大。是不是该重新买一个这个？不好意思。
Okay, for now it's 88 entries. Okay, for now, we have pasted all the name on the lucky draw springs, so that's such a long name list. For now, it's 88 entries. We just close the window for the second turn's lucky draw, and I think it's time for begins.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's Fabian.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Fabian. Congratulations.
写好了是吗？
Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's say. Okay, congratulations to Dander Setback. Sorry, Woody. Oh, I'm invisible. Sorry, we just now change cable just now. Okay, congratulations.
Okay, finished.
All right.
这是第二个是不是？
Okay, it's Woody.
Wow, congratulations to Woody.
Woody, congratulations to you.
He talks a lot today, right?
They say he's invisible, but I think he's a winner now.
You finish?
I finished it.
Oh, last one, right? Oh, okay.
Still two left. Okay, Manu.
Okay, congratulations to Manolo Hunter. Oh, that's a very cute name.
Okay, fifth one.
Okay, the last one.
Okay, it's damn weak.
Okay, congratulations to all the winners of our second round giveaway. Now I will send our email address to the comments, and every winner just email us to claim your prize after live stream. Okay, congratulations to all of winners. So now we're going to the third part, which Hamilton will showcase our M1D to all of you, and also some models printed by our M1D. Okay.
I think it's first. Let's start from the M1D itself. Okay, guys, change to camera. Well, camera is broken. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's back to change to the mirror modes. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, now let's back to the M1D. Okay, for currently we have printed something on M1D just for now. So there is some scraps on plates. That's for we have printed that things. Okay, maybe wait a minute. Okay. Now the UI has show lots of info on the touchpad. Now this is Wi-Fi. You can see the signal here, and also this is here, and the cooling fan here, and the light control inside the M1D, and also it has show some temperature information on the M1D. So some person maybe can see clearly. I don't know why. And there you can see some information on the left hand in here, and another 62 has information will show on here. So it's for the right extruder. And let's back to the settings. Start from settings. Okay, about settings in here, guys. Oh, I don't know why we cannot see it directly because it has some reflect on the monitor. And you can see there is Wi-Fi setting here, and also there is Wi-Fi wireless addressing here. You can connect it and enter the IP on the browser. And check the control panel in the web browser. And the second thing is the memory management, some time-lapse and logs about the M1D. And you can check it directly to know what was going on inside M1D. You guys can see it, I don't know why. Okay, wait a minute. For now, maybe you can see it more clearly. I just don't know why it cannot see and clearly on things. Okay, there. Back to the setting, and also there is a machine information here, and there are QR codes. And also there is auto calibration and OTA and settings. And furthermore, more things you want, maybe is change the language. Okay, also the second part is here. There is the cooling modules, speed modules, and the move access, and the heating temperature, and the chassis temperatures are in here. Yeah, autofocus is non-facing friendly. I don't know why. I just can't focus on the panel. So there can control cooling fans in here. Okay, I don't know. I guess you can see now. Okay, I cannot see it. The camera is so trash, guys. I have to say. You can control the cooling fan all in here in different degrees. And also here is a moving axis. That's homing. Homing for now. Okay, it's homing right. Homing out, wait. It's auto forming for now. Okay, everything is back to track. And also there's you can change the internal 1 0 about left side. Okay, the R is for the red one. You can see there here 2 buttons, the R. So you can just adjust the one single extruder to change the button on here. But I just guys can show it directly. And now here is filament panels. So for left side is left side extruder, internal 0. You can change the numbers, the colors, all in here. Now here is Sovol and the generic. So we have changed to Sovol. And also you can change the material types in here. It's ABS, ASA, PA, PC, PETG, PLA, and PLECF, PVA, the TPU, all in here. And I just don't know why the camera cannot focus on the screen. And also you can change the color in here, guys. So for now there is of the color and prepare in here. So I can choose the red one for the left side extruder. And also you can change the temperature independent Now for now, the 2201 is 0 degree because they are not print. And also cooling fan, you can press the button here to cooling. Okay, let's confirm the information in the for the green color button. Okay, for the you have to set the color for does it get a handle in the slider? Yes, you need to match it in the slicer. If you want to slicing the model in the different color, you have to match all of this. To match the color in your slicing set. And also you can control all of this T01, T1 internal to T6 internal in here. And I can choose the ETG for the. Okay, so TTG for the 36. Okay, let me just do some setting here. So for now, you can see there are some different color in here. And the blue one is PTG. We suggest that if you want to print one things in the, if you want to print multi-material, we suggest that use the T0 for the printing the supports, and the T1 to T6 for the multicolor printing job. If you want to print the multicolor model and you want to use another type of material to print either supports, so we just suggested that. And that's Filament's control panel UI center. So it's in here. So it's third one. Okay, so there is a print. You can see there is printing wording here. So this button is your storage for the STL files or 3MD files. So let's go ahead. Now for now we have just we have already printed some tasks. So there is some STLs in storage units. So you can see there is a color benches, all the black color and gray colors. I don't know what is this. And also you can use USB, but for now we didn't have set USB in USB stock. So there is USB stock in here, guys. You can check it. Okay, this is USB stock. And you can also teleport your STL files by the Wi-Fi, guys. And that's all things. And the settings in here, you can also change your language. So just the third button, it's the fourth button, guys. Just this button. We didn't have the autofocus, but I don't know why this camera is so fast. It didn't. This is not digital camera. It's just a camera for the. This is just a tiny. What I can say? It's just default camera. I don't know. Maybe there's some run settings. So just put in here. There are settings. Press this button. You can check the language in here. I don't know why, but you cannot see it clearly. For me, I cannot see it clearly. Okay, for now there is 8 language on the touchpad. All of them is the Chinese, English, and French, and Dutch, and Italian, and Japanese, and the Portuguese, and Espano. So USB for the Ethernet going to work out of box 2. Okay, so there is a language show on touchpad. Oh, I forgot to say about it. If you buy the enclosure one, so USB it start from here. The top head on the M1D start from here. So the USB will independently out of the top enclosure, guys. So have you seen there is a line here? It starts from here. So if you want to use your USB stock, so you will out of the top head on the M1D enclosure. Okay, so that's all the information about M1D for now. Everything you can see it on all in the touchpad. You're just setting some things manually. Okay, let's back to track. Do a full play first layer. Okay, as guys, during the short time, we didn't have too many times for printing. Okay, let's back to the last contents, last couple of contents. Okay. So for now, it's time to show some models was printed on the M1D.
Yes.
Okay, the first thing is
Yes. Hamilton is going to showcase
so
some
we need
models
some adjustments on the cameras.
printed by M1D.
It means that there was an exhaust. They're going to an intake for cooling chrome advance. Let me see it directly. You mentioned that there was an exhaust. Okay, there's going to be an intake for cooling down on the advance. When printing PLA, we are going to have to leave the door open. I think I have to say, if you want to print in the PLA, I don't recommend. Oh, you can open the top hat on here. If you buy the advanced M1D, you can open the top hat, and also you can close the door. But I have to say, the PLA, the best temperature for the PLA is 220 Celsius degree. So for my personally experience, I will I will not close the doors for the printing job.
Okay, so which one do you want to show first?
So I think the first one is
Okay.
our testing model in here.
Yes.
So this is just the cubic with the multicolor is testing for the colors mixing.
Cubic.
Yeah, color mixing.
How many colors on it?
It's also 7 colors.
Oh,
So we
okay.
will test the 7 colors.
Yes, 7 colors
single-
cubic.
in one single platform. I know the third is a bit. Okay. Okay, so the second thing is from transformer. It's printed as one thing, as one plate.
Okay, what is its name?
I forgot about it.
Okay.
But I only know its Chinese name.
It looks like familiar, right?
Yeah.
Something cartoon.
And the third thing is this is I don't know what it is, but I know it's a Chinese name, but it's hard to explain it in English, guys.
Yeah, there's something dragon.
这个叫麒麟。
哦，麒麟呢？麒麟 dragon.
I don't know how to say in English, but his Chinese name is Qilin. Just a suggestion, could mention the 300 millimeters be a mistake in the case. Shouldn't avoid using. Oh, we suggested that the build volume is 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters. Yes, there's a logo on the plate. And also here is a beauty cutter castle printed as one single piece. And also our Sovol boy.
Yes. He appears in our TV commercial videos.
How long did the prints take? I don't remember clearly. And for the Sovol boy, it's almost 50 or 70 hours. It has used 7 colors on the body. Okay.
Sleeve. All right, I think you finished. Any other
finished the
models?
introduction.
Oh, okay. So I think we should start our last giveaway. Okay. All right, let's.
Okay, for now it's 96 response in our electro forms, and 2 minutes later we will close the window for the electro forms.
And how about we select 8 winners this time at the last time? Okay. Yes.
The winners.
8 winners, because we have a lot of people
Really?
showing our last round giveaway.
Okay.
Thanks, Caroline. Thanks for everyone.
Sorry guys. Thank
Come
you so
to
much
us.
for doing the live. It's really appreciate. Okay, so thanks, same to you. So honestly, there is some question is very difficult. So maybe my explanation is a little bit wrong, guys. So, but for the QA turns, the answer is from our engineering team. So is right. But if you want to ask some random question, maybe my explanation is there a little bit
Thanks,
different from the right
thanks
answer.
GB3D. Thanks for your support as well. Okay, can you print something in the broadcast? We will arrange live print in the future, okay? Only print models during live stream in the future, so don't worry, you guys will
Nice.
will get live printing, okay?
Okay, so I think it's time.
Okay, yes,
No
okay.
demo?
Okay.
Okay, I think it start today's lecture turn, yes.
All
It's
right,
around.
let's
Refresh, I just got it.
okay,
Okay,
now.
no, it's last refresh. Okay, for now is 101 response.
Yes, we got 101 responses
101.
for the last round.
Okay, talking about the 101, did you know the 101
Dogs.
building
Yeah,
in
I know.
Taiwan?
Yeah, I thought you want to say 101 dogs, but I forgot the name of
Okay,
that
I know
movie.
that. I know that movie.
Yeah, what's the name of that movie? It's quite old movie during my childhood.
Okay, let's paste all the names in our lucky draw form.
Yes, thanks everyone.
I have to say, guys, thanks for curious about the M1D. Your question is pretty challenge, and we like challenge, guys.
Remove.
We like the challenge. And some questions maybe I can't. It's hard to answer it, but I have write on it. I will feedback to our engineering team later.
Okay, let's change to this screen. Okay. Okay, now let's start a bit, okay?
Okay, so
How about you first? Okay.
okay, let's begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's congratulations to Valentine BR.
Okay, congratulations to the Valentin.
Yes. Thanks for being our first winners of last round.
Okay,
Down.
I'm down.
Okay, let's go to next one. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, who's the winner? Is something or the hobby?
Oh, Hobby Home Workshop from YouTube.
Okay, I'm done with it.
Okay. Okay, go. Let's see. Wow. Congratulations to 1000 double C LT from YouTube.
Congratulations to you. It's O. Okay, it's now zeros. Like I know some person will write the O like in 0 to make it more styles.
Okay. Okay. Your
Okay,
turn.
like maybe. Okay, it's Caroline from the Facebook. Okay, thanks.
Oh yeah.
Congratulations to you.
He talk about a lot tonight. I remember you.
Okay, let's continue. So there is 4 members left.
Okay, so 4 left, right?
Yeah, 4
All
left.
right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's Brad. Okay, it's Brad.
Yes. From Facebook.
Congratulations to you. Oh, I still remember we have some chairs
Yeah. You.
choosing here.
Okay.
I have already forgot about it. No, do not use it. It's hard to clean. Just use for the chairs. Because this one is too hard to clean. We don't have too many times. Okay, so there's 3 members left.
All right, so let's do the 3 left, right?
Yeah, 3 left.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We can use only one for all the winners. I don't know how to.
I have to say this is hard to clean. Okay, it's Chris Sash. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's 2 left, but we can use 1 to celebrate all of you.
All right, let's remove it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's 2 left.
Last 2%, right?
Oh, only 1 left now. After Alex.
Congratulations, Alex.
Okay, next.
What's that?
Okay.
Damn
One
week.
left.
I would love for that. Okay. All right, last one, right?
Last one. Yeah.
Okay, let's look at who is our last winner.
So okay, Let's go. So we will celebrate. All the winner. Okay, in couple minutes. Okay, it's okay. It's hard to answer. Hard to pronounce this name.
Yeah, we let or
It's
something.
Vladimir Rechinov.
Yes. Anyway, just congratulations.
If my pronunciation is wrong, forgive me.
Okay, I think we have all winners of today.
Okay, let's
Giveaway,
celebrate it.
right?
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
That's-
a long time we
that's
don't
quite
have used
scared.
these things, guys.
Congratulations
Okay.
to all the winners
I
today.
make some fireworks about it. Just cheer about it. Okay, guys. Maybe I cannot shoot in front of camera.
Just ate.
Woohoo!
Quite scared.
Yeah. Congratulations all of you guys.
Okay, congratulations to all the winners. Thanks for everyone come to our live stream today. Okay. Oh, but before we end our live stream, we can share our Kickstarter page to everyone.
And especially for the cost, guys. So we have write down more details when the Kickstarter launches.
Yes, now we have 2,112 backers support us.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks every backer. Okay. We appreciate.
And also, I have to say, there are much more detailed information I want to show about you guys. Where is that website? In here. Okay. I have to say, you can check mailing information on the website, all in here, and especially for these things. What's in box? Okay, there is essential, VS advanced. You can see the features all in here. And one more thing in also. And here is all the product specification. Here.
Yeah, if you're wondering any information, actually, you can just go to Kickstarter page
Yes, we
to
have
see
said,
this. Yes.
it's detailed. And also, there is a design progress and prototyping here. And also testing. This is the lab. And trail production. And also, there's timeline. As everybody wants. Okay, for now is 2026 August is a mass production stage, and also in our testing stage. And it starts first batch shipping will be started from the 2026 November. And there's also everybody wants shipping of tax in here. And also warranties.
Yes. Just all the information in this page, okay, guys?
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe our community. And I have to say there is a video is in how we made it the M1D. I know it, but I don't know in which phase. Let me find out and to show it. I have to check from the phase 1 to phase 1 phase. Wait a minute, where is that? M1D. Okay, here. Guys, is everything you want in here. The M1D from raw material to ready to print. Fancy machine.
say thanks, guys, for your watching. Thanks, everyone, come to our live stream today. So, yes, thanks. So, I think we should stop here. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for the stream and take care of yourself. Yes, you too. Thanks, everyone.
Oh, sorry about that.
All right, so see you next week, guys. Okay, we just stop here for today. Thanks, everyone. Okay.
Okay, thanks, everyone.
Okay.